Ooh, cute. Work it. Work it. Get it. Get it. Watch out for the
Oh,
stove
this is
though.
my niece.
Oh, flip it. Flip it. Ooh, sexy. Sexy. Yeah. Ooh, don't break your back though. Ooh. Ooh. Tame that beast, girl. Tame it. Ooh, no, let it free. Oh, you let it free. I don't even know what that is, but you do it.
Do it. I do it.
Ooh, I'm about to New year, new me. You know how I do, boo boo. You don't.
We're gonna let them haters hate. I'ma do me, you do you, boo boo. Okay? My New Year's resolution, man, tonight was my last time smoking weed, you feel me? I'm trying to do better, you know, you feel me? Ooh, no, my birthday next week. I'm about to smoke.
We gonna start that 2 weeks from now.
But my New Year's resolution is to stop smoking the week after my birthday. And my other New Year's resolution, I'm gonna find me a good man, a good one. I'm tired of all these busters, all these scrubs. We don't want scrubs out here. I am about to be 18 years old.
He's fine. Also known as the buster.
So no, I don't want no. I don't want to give you mine. No, I don't want to tell you no way. No, I don't want none of your time. I don't want the sky. Sky with the God I can't know that about me. Hanging on the passenger side. Trying to over me. I don't want no.
We get it. You don't want no scrub, boo. You don't.
Let me tell y'all what we doing. Ooh, I can't find it. Hold on, where's it at? We pop bottles out here, you feel me? Feel me? We pop bottles, you feel me? It may look like water, but it's not. See, we have to hide it. We drink that clear, you feel me? Mix it up together. So cool. You see my leg shaking? You see my leg shaking? Oh, she about to make you a drink, girl. Yeah.
This is yours?
Yeah. Hey.
You like that?
I mean, ooh, yeah. Mostly alcohol. That's how we do it out here, boo boo. Hold on, can I put on my sack high ponytail, please?
Mm-hmm. Not mess up
I'm
my
about to
counter.
down it, you feel me?
Ooh, cute.
Can I use this? No, I can't use that.
Here.
Drink up, that's a heck of a big shot.
See, we are thugs, okay? Whoops, I'm already kind of tipsy. I'm spilling it.
Gypsy. Get that away from my phone. Thank you. I will taste.
Okay, I think you've had enough tonight. I'm gonna. You good, girl. You good. Okay.
So we do 2012. You want some?
No, it's good.
Bet you wish you was with us.
Mmm.